Guys, y'all can win this 420 horsepower Evo 10. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel at Mechanical High, follow us on Instagram at the same handle, and repost the giveaway photo. That's it, guys. If we hit 125,000 subscribers by the end of February next year, it could be in your driveway. Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So I am currently in the Evo, as you can tell, Starlight headliner. Link will be up here. Go check that video out. Kind of nervous right now. Let me try that again. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So currently kind of nervous because Quinn just bought a new car and he won't tell me what it is. There's a chance that it's a Toyota Yaris. I think it's a Toyota. Kind of scared right now, so he should be back any minute. Let me actually give him a call right now. Hey Siri, call Quinn.
Hello.
Hey, where you at?
Hey, I'm about to pull in right now. You cannot wait to see the Yaris I just picked up, dude.
I'm actually scared. All right, yeah, come on down. All right.
Hey, I'm pulling in.
All right, cool. Oh my Lord. Are you actually kidding me right now? Why?
What did you think I bought? Like, honestly.
I thought you bought a Yaris, but not a
Oh, yeah.
Oh my Lord.
It's sick.
That needs some work.
No, it doesn't. You'll look through it. Like, it's been sitting for 3 years.
Oh my. Okay.
One owner.
All right.
Interior's like mint besides the center console.
Okay.
It's the engine. It's pretty nice. It
All
really
right,
isn't
let's get into this. What's up, Mackie boy? What's up, buddy?
Welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the intro, I just got this, my 1986 Toyota MR2. This is my 1986 Toyota MR2. It has been abandoned for 3 years, and in this series, we are going to be restoring it. Today's video is going to be a walk through the car, showing you all its quirks, all its features, very Doug DeMuro style. We're going to let you know all about the 86 MR2. You don't really see these things too much. At least this is one of the first ones I've seen in person. I saw one driving to work one time. It was pretty cool, and I wanted it ever since. So let's just get into it. This is a 1986, so manufactured in 1985. It is not the supercharged model, sadly. Those didn't come out till 1988. But this is the top of the line. It has the sunroof. We can move on to the interior. It has power windows, cruise control, AC, and heat. So it's full radio. The interior is really not that bad. Shift boot and a new center console lid. And a good vacuuming, and it'll be nice and clean. A lot of people are probably wondering actually if I fit in this. Please say. I fit just fine.
What about the headroom?
I've got probably about an inch.
All right.
Plus I think this, how does this open?
Shatters it.
To open, pull latch, pushing both buttons. Oh, yes, sir.
Is that as far as it goes?
Yeah.
Regardless, you have a sunroof, that's cool.
It's cool. Moving on to the frunk. For those of you that do not know actually let's go over what an MR2 is real quick. MR2 stands for midship roundabout two-seater. As you can see, this is what midship stands for. There is no engine up here.
There's a flat tire though.
Yeah. Engine is in the rear of these cars. It's pretty cool. One thing I love about this one in particular is it still has all the original graphics on it. I think that's pretty cool. There goes my sunroof.
It's actually A clean car. Yes, it looks dirty right now, but
like there's no dents, no dings.
Yeah, body's
very straight.
Very good condition. Interior, like as y'all just saw, is
also in very good condition.
Pretty freaking clean.
Now let me pop, I guess the bonnet, hood, I don't know what you'd call it.
I'm sorry, did you just call it a bonnet?
Bonnets are in the rear.
Okay. Oh, that's crusty.
Oh yeah. But like, it's not oily, right? It's just dirty.
Yeah.
Like if you really look at it, it's not too bad. Gonna need to get a new battery. Next episode, we're gonna try and get this bad boy started. That ain't gonna be today. That's gonna be next episode.
Yeah, it's gonna take us a minute to get things sorted.
I mean, the vacuum lines ain't bad. Nothing really looks cracked or out of place. I'd say new battery, full service. It might start up. The guy said it'll most likely start up. I don't think you can open that right there. I know on the later models, this was an actual trunk you could open. Actually, hold up. It might be.
It looks like you can.
Does this have two trunks?
Freaking Team Toyota over there.
How would I open this? How would I open this?
While he's dealing with that, let me give you a quick walk around the exterior. So yes, it looks rough, but it is actually quite clean. There, like as he said, there are 0 dents, 0 scratches. Obviously it needs paint, but it's got all the original graphics. Pop-up headlights, can't go wrong. Disc brakes, front and rear. It's a small car, but it looks good.
Oh, you know how I open the trunk? Keyhole.
Oh, nice.
For those of you that don't know, I owned a 1987 Toyota MR2 Supra. And on that, very quirky Toyotas from the 80s, on the keyhole, when you turn it, there's a button you have to press in order to release the key. This has the same thing.
Haha.
Only Toyota did it.
Have fun with that. May have been
Heck yeah, there's a trunk. It's even got original carpeting in it. It's dirty, but.
That's actually awesome. You have 2 trunks, all the storage space.
Can we get a shot of it with the door, with this and the front open?
Just that right there.
Strut, pop, boom. A side shot of that. That looks cool.
That's awesome. All right, Quinn. So what are your plans with this car?
This car is a survivor. I really want to restore it, make it like it was when it came off the showroom floor. That means new paint, gonna refresh the suspension, make that engine run perfectly, and restore the interior.
Awesome. So what happens when you restore it and it's not enough power for you?
4GZ E-Swap, which is the supercharged engine, that's gonna get thrown in here. Make it nice and fast. Other than that, if you like content like this, please consider subscribing. This is gonna be a really cool build. It's gonna take place over the next couple weeks, so stay tuned. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Continue to watch our videos. Other than that, continue to follow along as we turn this from a derelict, abandoned Toyota MR2 to the showstopper. Stay original out there.